Hello, hello, hello. Here for box number 2 of Marvel Masterpiece 2020 opening. Adjusted the camera from the first video, which was the first box break I've ever done. So hopefully the images will be a little bit better for those of you watching on smaller devices. Let's get started. Box number 2. All right, Punisher base, dig it, legit. Oh, Mutants, what if, New Mutants, what if, Legion, awesome. And then a Blade, gold signature foil, love it. The art continues to be pretty amazing in my opinion. Pack number 2. Enchantress base. Ooh, got ourselves a hollow foil. Nightmare. I've not seen this one. As cool as this. Number 20 of 20. I think it's just the regular, not one of the speckle or the kaleidoscopes. And then a What If Black Panther. Awesome. Number 3. Nope. Bullseye base. I have not seen this one either. It's legit. What tier is this? Tier 1's card number 20. Oh, Enchantress purple. Awesome. Have a lot of her cards. And then a Black Knight signature. Put that over here. That's the second purple I've gotten. First one was Jean Grey in box number 1. That's pretty rad. Okay. Pack number 4. Oh, the base of the Phoenix Force. This has got to be one of my favorite cards. I love it. I believe I got the gold signature foil in box number 1. Oh, another sketch. Craven. Who is this? James Rodriguez, Craven the Hunter. It's awesome. Set this over to the side as well. And then a Moon Knight gold signature foil. Awesome. Number 5. Oop. Rip that one straight to hell. Jack Flag base. I have not seen this one either. What tier is this? Oh, also tier 1. Preliminary art. Jean Grey. Loving these preliminary art ones. Those are pretty rad. And then Doctor Strange gold signature foil. I have not seen this one either. Legit. 53. Awesome. Pack number 6. Oh, base Hulk. Awesome. 58. Holy cow, another purple Black Knight. 3 of 199. And then What If God Butcher. Awesome. Put this out to the side. What number was this? Just out of curiosity. 22 of 199. That's awesome. Didn't even know you could get 2 in one box. All right, so we're halfway through box number 2. We're on pack 7. What If Bucky Barnes. That's pretty cool. I like the World War II motif they've got going on. Hell yes. Professor X Orange Parallel. That is awesome. Number 2 of 99. And then right behind it, the gold signature foil. Dig it. Kind of wondering what's going on with his face there. He looks a little sad. Poor Professor X. That is legit. Very excited about that. Let's see. Yes, the Deadpool card, one of the favorites outside of course, Fin Fang Foom, who is everybody's favorite. Don't lie. I love that. What If? Oh, another canvas gallery of Thor. Awesome. Number 97. And then a gold signature of Daredevil. Love that Daredevil art. It's pretty rad. All right. Almost count. I think this is pack number 8. Ooh, base of Legion. Love that. What tier is this? Tier 2 out of $14.99. Ooh, Battle Spectra. This is the 3rd Battle Spectra from the 2 boxes combined, and that is BS7. Not one of the gems. I'll be honest, I don't know how you know if it's a gem. Hopefully it says it, because I'm not going to know otherwise. And then What If Wolf or Man Wolf. Awesome. Oh, don't know if you can see it, but another number 3. I've never gotten a number 1 or a last in a serial card. Obviously pretty rare. Oh, that one just ripped straight again. Let's see. Quicksilver base. Dig it. Looks like we have a hollow foil on the back. Star-Lord. I think I have seen this one. Number 1 of 20. Awesome. And then the Hulk gold signature. It's pretty rad. I'm gonna call him Beetlejuice. He's got that teeny tiny head, for those of you who remember that part of Beetlejuice. Two more packs. Black Cat base. That's a good one. Dig it. And then 2 gold signatures. Who we got? Scar and Graviton. Not bad looking. Cool. All right. Let's see what the last pack has for us. Holding that, saving that red foil for last, no doubt. All right. Oh, the Sentinel's base. I've not seen that one either. That's cool. What one is this? Tier 3, number 73. Oh, Silk, What If, and She-Hulk gold signature. That's cool. All right. Box 2 down and out. I'll be back with box 3. Later.